This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, smoke detector, LP detector, Colorado detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, slide-out, oven, stove top burner, water heater, external shower, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22RBE is 5,125 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.